It's summertime and a halter dress is a great seasonal choice. This free pattern is the Haley dress by Sonia Estep Designs. I've left the link to the pattern in the description below, as well as links to the extra tools I'm using in this video, such as the turning tubes for the straps and the clear elastic to stabilize the seams. In this video, I'm using a stretchy double brush poly. Sew this cute dress with me. Let's get started. Fold each of your straps in half lengthwise, and we're going to sew each of them with a 1/4 inch seam allowance, sewing one of the short ends and the full long edge for both straps. Turn both of your straps right side out and give them a good press. Place your main bodice pieces right sides together and pin the side seams. And repeat for your bodice lining pieces. And then sew the side seams for the lining and the main with a 1/4 inch seam allowance. Now with my lining piece right side out, I'm going to place it inside the main piece so that they're right sides together. Then I'm going to pin these pieces together along the back, the arm size, and the neckline, leaving the shoulders open. We're going to sew the arm size, the neckline, and the top of the back with a 1/4 inch seam allowance. And to make sure that all of these seams don't overstretch over time, I'm going to be adding 1/4 inch wide elastic to my stitching, just sewing this elastic into the seam as I serge. Now I'll take the raw end of my strap and place it in between the two layers so that it's flush with the top of the shoulder seam. And pin in place. Repeat for both straps. And then sew both of those shoulder seams. Then we can turn our bodice right side out. Place your skirt pieces right sides together and pin your side seams. And sew both of the skirt side seams with a 1/4 inch seam allowance. Now for the bodice piece, I'm going to find the quarter points along the bottom, pinning the lining and the main together. I'll also mark the quarter points along the top of the skirt. Now I'll place the top of the skirt and the bottom of the bodice right sides together, and I'll pin through all thicknesses at the quarter points. Then I'm going to sew all around this waist opening with a 1/4 inch seam allowance, and I'm going to be adding 1/4 inch clear elastic to this waistline seam as well. Here is the bottom of my skirt, and I've gone ahead and pressed the bottom raw edge to the wrong side all the way around by 1 inch. Now using a twin needle, a cover stitch machine, or your regular machine and a stretch stitch, sew close to the raw edge all the way around. And now your dress is complete. Here is the final result of my halter dress. I sewed the knee length option in a size 0. Subscribe to the channel to be notified of new sew-alongs, and I'll see you in the next video.